Hello everyone, this is Warren, your reliable virtual assistant, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna share the most commonly used Google products or apps. But before anything else, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, may you please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will be updated with the latest post here in my channel. Also, please like, share this video and also encourage you to leave a comment below. You can comment anything that is related to virtual tasks or anything that you want me to make a video tutorial. So without further ado, let's get it started. Way back when I first entered the world of virtual freelancing, I was first introduced to these Google apps or products, and I find it very convenient and easy to use. These are frequently used nowadays due to a huge or growing industry of virtual service. So I'm gonna call this video tutorial as Google Apps Series. So what I have here to introduce first are very important, and if you already know how to use Microsoft apps such as Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, you'll definitely understand it easily and you can relate on the functions that I am going to show you. It would be more easier for you to navigate it once you already have the prior knowledge on the apps that I have mentioned a while ago. Then, the top four Google apps that I will introduce first are the Google Slides, Google Forms, Google Sheets, and Google Docs. But let me first show you the basic functions, tools, and other important buttons on the Google Slides. And let's get started. All right. So the first thing you do is you need to open your browser or the Chrome browser that is available on your desktop or in your PC or laptop, and you need to find the nine dots here in the upper part of your screen. And once you click it, it will show you the different Google apps that is available. And here we have here this docs, the Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and yeah, the forms. But for today's video, like what I've said, we will focus on the Google Slides. So you just need to click it and it will redirect you here. So in this uh, tab, it will show you the different template that is available that you can use depending on what kind of presentation that you are going to do. And it will also show you the recent presentations that you made or that you have viewed. And if you're going to create a new presentation, you just need to click this one, the blank. And once you click it, it will redirect you here in the workspace of the Google Slides. And just like what I mentioned earlier, if you are familiar with Microsoft PowerPoint, it works the same, but the menus here in the upper portion in the toolbar portion, it's a bit slightly different in how it is arranged, but it works the same. So here in the sidebar, you can see different theme that you can use in your presentation. So it's up to you if you want to customize or use anything here. And yeah, you can also close this one. And yeah, let's try close this one. So first is let me introduce to you here in the upper part, it is called what we call the menus system or the menu. So here in the menu, it has a command with different combined functions. And here in the lower or in the bottom part of menu system, we have here the toolbars. So this is the first slide for for this. So let me introduce first the file menu here. So in file menu, we have here the new menu, which says here If you want to create a presentation, new presentation, you just click it. Or if you want to use a theme, you can also click this one, and it will lead you here to different available themes that you can use. Anyway, you can customize, but it's up to you. But if you are in a rush to make a presentation, you can use these available themes here, or themes. Let's go back. And next is the open. If you want to open a presentation that is already uploaded on your Google Drive, or if it is shared by someone you know or from your client or workmates, you can also open it here, the start or the saved PowerPoint. And you can also find here in the upload, you need, if you haven't yet uploaded the presentation that you want to open, you can also browse it here and upload it. Yeah, and let's try this one. Okay, you need to click the open, and it will lead you to the presentation that you open. All right, so here's the example. So here's the uh, from my all previous reports or report. So here, yeah, it's actually a template that I haven't yet used. But yes, so let's go back. And for another part is if you want to import slides from your laptop, you can also import slides here. You just need to click it and yeah, transfer any files that you want or import. Okay. For the next one, we have share. If there are Google presentations that is shared to you, you can also open it, and you can also publish your presentation that you made. And once you finish your presentation, you can email it. You just click this one, and yeah, so you can send to whoever you wanted to send this one. All right. And next is we have here rename. So if there's a specific name of the presentation or file, you can change it. Let's say Warren's presentation. So yeah, and change the name. But you can also click this one for easier access. And next is move. If you want to move the this file that you are creating, if you want to place it on a specific folder, it once you click that one or click that menu, it will lead you here to choose a specific folder that you're going to put your presentation. So once you click folder, and you just need to click to move, and it will move it, or it will the file will be put in this specific folder. And next is you can add shortcut to this drive. So once you're done with the presentation, you can create a shortcut with it on your drive. And yeah, you can just click it here, and once you click the add shortcut here, it will reflect on your Google Drive. Next is revision history. So once you created something in your power presentation, and let's try here, Warren, and you want it to undo the previous version, so you just need to click it and see version history, And from there, you'll see the previous changes that you made. So you can click this one and you can restore it. Click restore. So yeah, it will go back to the very first or previous changes that you made, and you can restore that one. Next is if it happens that your internet connection is not good, you can use this one, this menu, and then it will uh, automatically save your changes that you made, even if it is online or you don't have any internet connection. And next is the details and language. So yeah, you can choose the language that you're comfortable to use. What do we mean by language? It will change here the terms in the menu. It will change into the specific language that you choose. So page setup, it will help you to set up the page. Once if you wanted to use it through phone or whatever the screen you are using, you can choose the size of the screen that you are going to present your report or presentation. So here you can use it once you're done. You can print preview before you print your presentation. You can also use this, try to use this one to see if how it would look like when it is going to be print. All right, so now let's go back. Oops. Okay, and next is the edit menu. So for edit menu, you will have here the Control Z or the undo button and the redo button, and we have the paste options here. You select all, find the place. And for the view, it will help you to choose what specific kind of presentation or view you would like to share the your presentation, like if you want it to be in full screen or not. So yeah, it is here in the view view menu. Next is the theme builder. You have also here the grid view. Yeah, once you already created your presentation or you're done creating your presentation, menu to uh, choose the what way you are going to present the details that you created on the each slides, how it would be viewed to the audience that are or the client. So this is the view that you can view menu. Next is the insert menu. Insert menu will help you to put creativity on your presentation. You can insert image. Uh, you, use you can insert image that is appropriate or that is fitted to your presentation. You can upload it from your computer rather. You can search on the web. You can also search on the drive if you already have the images or photos uploaded in your G Drive. You can use that one. Google Drive also have this app which is Google Photos, wherein you will upload photos to in this Google apps, and it's store it there. It's like a storage for your photos. So next is by URL. If there is a URL where your image is located, you can use that one, and you can also use the camera if there's a presentation uh, that needs to see your image or whatever it is, you can use the camera of menu. And next is the text box. This text box will help you to create a space for text that you are going to add or that you're to put on your presentation. So this is how it works. So yes, that's the text box. Next is audio. You can insert audio in the presentation if it needs a sample audio of a specific music that you inserted in the presentation. You can upload it here and use it to enhance some audio representation of what you're going to tell or what you are trying to explain. Next is the video. You can also upload video from YouTube or whatever platforms that is available. You can upload it here. And shapes, you can also put shapes. There are a lot of shapes here available. The arrows, callouts, equation. So you just need to click first is you need to click what shape that you are going to use. So let's use circle. So find a specific area on your um, presentation that needs this shape or for emphasis or whatever you're going to use it. So just click it and yeah, we have here the circle. Next is the table. You can also put table in your presentation. So you just need to click it like that. So it will reflect it here. Let's try Control Z to undo to see what's other option that is available. So you can choose how many columns and rows that you are going to use. Click here. Here you can see that you have just created a box. Next is the diagram. So I know the table and yeah, the chart. So you can also insert bar, column, line, or pie chart. So like for example, like this, you need to click it and yeah, to reflect the chart. Next is the diagram. You can put grid. If here, once you click it, there are available grid that you can use. You can also use a hierarchy here. There are sample hierarchy that you can use in your presentation. So like that. Let's try to remove this one. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, you can choose whatever theme that you're going to use or color. Next is the timeline. You can also use timeline. So one click control no, sorry, click control M for new slide. Let's see. So once you click it, there are available timeline that you can use. It's up to you if you customize it according to information that is needed to be presented. Next is the process. You can also have here choices of the process like that. Next is the word art. So we have here the word art. Let's try to say Warren, then click it, and there you will be giving sample word art here with your. It's actually like a calligraphy or sample or a style, font style of a specific word or sentence that you're going to use. And next is we have the line. You can put lines here like arrow. You just need to drag it. Once you click it, you need to drag it under your workspace. So like this. Okay, like that. And next is animation. Yeah, so you can put animation to your slides. You have here if you want to dissolve it. So when you click a slides, it will create a dissolve transition to the another slide. Next is the comment. So you can put comment in slides. Like for example, if you want to comment here that you need to change this second slide. So this is what usually the client will put on your presentation if the client requires you to create a presentation using Google Slides. So sometimes if their schedule is very hectic and they don't have the time for you to meet virtually, so they will just check your presentation and they will just put a comment on your on the slide. So anyway, you will see that one in the side once there is a comment. Next is the new slides. So for new slides, if you want to add another slide, you can create it, click that one, or you can use Control M. That's it. So for now, we have tried to explore the file menu, the edit menu, the view menu, and the insert menu. So for just a recap, the file menu contains these specific functions. And for the edit menu, it also have specific functions or tools. And for the view menu, or the how it will help you how your presentation will appear to your audience. And next is the insert menu, which will allow you to put creativity and organization of details on your presentation. So for our next video, I'm gonna share the format menu, slide menu, arrange menu, tools menu, and extension menu, and also the tools bars. But for now, let's end this video and see you on my next episode for this Google series. So again, if you haven't yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be updated with our latest episode of this Google series. And also please like and share and put your comment below. So again, this is Warren, your reliable virtual assistant. If you want me to create a video tutorial, just comment it, or you can also message me on this channel. So have a great day and see you on my next video.